Welcome to Bossier City, Margaritaville, Jimmy Buffett. Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. 1977 mega hit by Jimmy Buffett. Searching for my last shaker of salt. Wasted away again in Margaritaville. His fans are known as parrot heads. Margaritaville Resort Casino. In the background is Sam's Town. Welcome to Margaritaville. Here's a room tour. As you enter the room, off to the left is the bathroom. To the right is a full mirror. To the left is a coffee bar. Coffee maker, cups, coffee. Margaritaville nuts and 2 waters. Very good. Painting. And we have another painting of birds. Not sure if you can see it very well. And the nightstand with a phone and a drawer. And of course, the most important thing is the bed. And then the TV. And it's right next to the closet, which has a safe and an iron. We have a desk and pictures of birds again above it, above the light, the chair, and a trash can, and a stool. And a light and a alarm clock and clock. And you use the dial on the wall to make yourself cool or hot. And we're on the 4th floor, and we're right above what looks like the casino. And the sun's shining right in. I don't know if we can see much. Now that way is the river and part of the parking lot. These are the air conditioners for the casino. And right across the way is Sam's Town. Always here, always home. And of course the bridge that goes over the river. See some more buildings down there. You get a really nice view of Shreveport and Bossier. This is the bathroom, the toilet. The sink and the mirror. And they had the shower here with a towel. And they have some shampoo, body wash, conditioner. World Tour Buffet is closed. Bamboo Asian Cafe. Jimmy's. I went downstairs to get a snack, and what I got was Gold Peak tea, Miss Vicky's sea salt potato chips, and I opted for the French dip. Looks mighty tasty. This is a fitness center. In the spa and salon, they just closed. This is the pool area. Pictures of Jimmy Pro Shop is right next door. And there we get a good view of the bridge. And the riverboat, Sam's Town.